Alright, this is the Corvette. So right now there's something cooking. I don't know what it is. There's smoke coming. Get ready to cut it off. But then out of the back. Alright, so looking at it, I got smoke coming from here on the rail. And the same on this side.